challenge today?
What's the challenge today?
We will do a chocolate challenge.
So what's we gonna do with the
We
chocolate
got
challenge?
new balls.
Okay, mommy give you ball each, and then what you gonna do is mommy will put one piece of chocolate each in your ball, and then you have to guess what chocolate is that.
Alright.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
But the twist is
Okay,
you need to put a mask.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Mask on.
Okay, ready.
Can you see?
No.
No? Okay. Check your balls. Can you touch your balls?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, mommy put the piece of chocolates. In a count of 3, you need to eat it. Don't pick. 1, 2, 3, go. And then I'll count 1, 2, 3, and you need to guess what chocolate is that. You need to raise your hand now. 1, 2, 3. Who can guess? Okay, Amber. What's that?
I didn't taste yet.
What chocolate is that? Remove the mask. What chocolate?
I don't know. I just enjoy it.
What's the chocolate?
Cloud9.
Okay. Second round. Put on the mask.
What's okay.
I'm not yet done.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh,
Okay, you can guess. Okay, Daddy.
Kit Kat.
Okay, 1 all. Okay, next.
Next.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Again.
Okay, Amber. What's that?
I'm so tasty.
Ano ay?
Berry.
What's that?
Blackberry.
Again?
Cadbury.
Okay. Okay, next. Ready? Ready, 1, 2, go. What happened?
What's that? It's so yucky.
Yum.
What's that?
I don't know.
Okay, Daddy.
Cadbury.
What's that?
Thunder.
Okay. Put the mask on.
Okay.
Wait a
What
minute.
happened?
Put the mask.
Ah! It's in my mouth. Daddy, can you help me?
Of course you cannot see. Okay.
You can still see.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
At first, I can still see.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Okay.
set, go.
No one.
1, 2, 3, go.
M&M.
Oh, very good. Daddy, that's 4-1.
That's bad.
That one.
Okay, last.
Yeah.
Go 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, your daughter.
Marshmallow. Marshmallow.
You got 2 points and I got 4 points.
Okay, Amber wins. Amber, but the prize would be the chocolates. We'll
More
get all the
chocolates.
chocolates.
Yeah, I will share.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I share?
Okay.
I want Kit Kat.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute.
And I don't like. Hope you enjoy watching our video. See you next time. Bye.